Alright, so smoke in 3D. I will go ahead, create 3D container, and move the container right here. See it? I'm going to delete the original one, just make it easier. We don't have to confuse. I'll get rid of that. The cube, I want to use it because we are going to use this one to collide with the smoke. I will just put this as a vertical way, just easier, you can see it. Then I'm going to select the container, fluid. Then I'm going to create a content emitter, right? So emitter is right there. If I play, right, that's a smoke, 3-dimensional smoke. I will select the fluid. Let's change the display. So in the shape, well, let's give a color first. So the same thing, right? In the emitter, I will change the basic attributes. Where is the, oh, it's in the fluid shape. I think it's in the fluid attributes. Yes, color. Let's give red. And check emit fluid color. Click OK. So now it should be red color. That's good. So in the fluid, I'm going to do exactly a fluid shape. I'm going to do the velocity display. Let's give a little bit larger scale. Because it is 3-dimension, you could imagine, let's just play with it. Right, it's a little bit different from 2D. It's also slower because it's taking time to calculate. Okay. Let's take a look at the gravity. So fluid, fluid shape. Velocity, that's fine. Liquid, that's fine. Face resolution, oh, I think this resolution is way too low. Let's get 40 here. Yeah, you got more. That's good. Okay. Then we need to set up the collision. So select the fluid and the object. Then we set the collision. So now if we play, suppose you should see the the building will somehow interact with these particles. Right. Probably it's not that easy to watch, but it's all there. If you do want to actually visually, you want it easier to see, there is a way. I'm not sure that's the best way. You can convert the fluid into a polygon. It's right there, fluid to polygons. Sometimes it gives you a kind of like a nice solid shape. You can visualize the boundary of your fluid. So it's right there. If I rewind and play, so this is actually kind of like a representation of the volume of the smoke. You can see how this volume is actually. Let's do this. I will rewind. I will make the building actually closer to that that emitter, so that will be more interaction with it. I think I can even block that a little bit more. All right, so now let's play the simulation. All right, it's kind of like a blobby shape. It's trying to find a way to get out, right? So it starts to collide with the building. We can stop here. So this is actually the shape you have. If I move this shape away, right, you can definitely see that this is actually the mark of that building. All right. Could be an interesting way to design sculpture, I feel. You can do a smoke, right? And then just shape the smoke, convert that into a sculpture. Okay, so I hope that will be helpful for any simulation you want to do with your city. It could end up with something like that. Okay, so let's stop the animation, the video.